Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. Today is going to be my what I got for Christmas / birthday video. Let me zoom this out just a little bit. Yeah, so for those of you that don't know, I was very fortunately born on December 27th. So those of us with birthdays close to Christmas know how annoying that can be, so I'm not going to go through it with you. Anyway, this video is not meant to be braggy or, yeah, in any way saying that if you didn't get as little or as much as I did, that you're better or worse than me. None of that. We're not doing that here. What I am doing is giving you a sneak peek into what the new year will bring to us as far as videos. And I am so excited about some of these things that I have gotten very kindly from friends and family. And yeah, we're gonna go right into this. As always, I will have links for everything in the description down below. And I'm going to start off with my Elfster present. So, every year, the Housemates Extended Family does this Elfster gift exchange thing that you can do online. And, my secret elf got me this pack of Let's Resin Chameleon powder. So, I'm going to take these out. Our spending limit was $20 this year, so that was perfect. So here's this one, which in my eyes at this angle, it is a pink color. I guess you guys can kind of see that pink in there. So it's like it's called Aurora, this color. I think it's like a gold and pink. This one is rose gold. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's see. This one is mint. So it's like a pink and a green. Very pretty. And then this one is orchid. So it's a very beautiful purple, pink, blue. There's a little bit of gold I'm picking up from looking at it from the side. So yeah. So excited to use these new chameleon powders of mine. Very, very excited about that. Okay. I got 5 different molds sets. So I got the Moon Phases set, which I still need to widen my lens for. This is huge. I had been looking at this particular set for a while. I just never pulled the trigger on it. I'm not sure why. But this set is enormous. Oh, that's right. Okay. So this is the one. I will actually insert a picture here of what it looks like. But it is a perpetual calendar is what it is. I forgot about that. Oh, this is going to be so fun to attempt to make. So yeah, it's a perpetual calendar with the moon phases on it right here in the middle. And it's got the days of the week, the months of the year, and the date, the number dates. So this, I'm super excited to try out. I honestly cannot wait to try this and see how it goes. I'm very nervous that it's not going to work. And I'm also very nervous that I'm going to pour the things too thick, so I might look up some information on this before I actually pour it, just to make sure that I don't over pour it or under pour it or anything like that. But this is exciting. Very, very excited for that. My housemates got me a chess set and checkers set. So it comes with, sorry for the crinkling. It comes with the checkers mold, so you can make your checker pieces. Comes with the board right here. It comes with some mesh bags, or a mesh bag, I guess, to put all of the pieces in. And this is what I'm super excited about. It comes with all of the chess pieces. And it's a full, you know, you see what I'm seeing, right? It's a full mold instead of it being like the half molds that you have to then somehow glue together. I'm so excited about this, you guys. You just have no idea. So stoked. Very excited to try this out. Well, I'm excited to try all of this stuff out. So, that's going to be probably a couple of videos coming up. So move that over. And then this one was on my wish list. So, my boys picked this out. And this is a clipboard mold. So it comes with a little measuring cup, goes up to 100 milliliters, just like the ones I usually use, so that's great. It comes with a couple of pen molds. Let's see, I think three pen molds, which is exciting because I've been wanting to try pen molds, but I haven't really wanted to pull the trigger on buying a whole set, so this is gonna be great to see if I actually want, you know, to make pens. Comes with this bag of goodies, and of course, right here is the mold. There we go. Move that away from the microphone. Let's see. Just want to take that paper out. Okay. So it comes with the clipboard mold with the holes, you know, for the clipboard thing. And then in here you get a bunch of these little finger caught things. So 1, 2, 3 clipboard things, clipboard insert things, I guess. And it does look like they match up pretty good, so that's good. You also get a bunch of the pipettes. You know, these little finger things. You get 2 little mixing spoons. Very nice. Reusable. And then you also get the little connection piece things. So you get the tops and the bottoms. And the bottoms have little flathead screwdriver bits. Come on, camera. Focus here. Thank you. So, this, I'm very much excited to see how this turns out. I've seen a lot of people do books, like notebooks with resin. I have not seen that many people do clipboards. So, I will say that my housemate, who helped my boys pick this out, did mention that the reviews on Amazon were not that good for this. Apparently something about the holes not lining up, but I guess we will see if that happens. I'm hoping that it won't. It looks like it matches up pretty good, so we will see how that turns out. Okay, So this one I'm very, very excited about. And again, I'm going to have to insert a picture of what this looks like. So, insert picture here. But as you can see, it's a very deep mold. It is a devil cat. So excited about this one. I cannot wait to try this, especially with those chameleon powders. I mean, I am just beyond excited for this. Okay. And then the last mold set that I received is this one, which is a bunch of bottles with lid molds. Now, I will say this. I was a little confused by these molds because they come apart. And I was like, okay. And then I put them together and I was like, well, how do you fill that up? My housemate mentioned you probably fill this part and then insert the bottle insert part, right? So that's what I'm going to do. There are 1, 2, oh God, I didn't even know, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 different bottle molds within the set. And they're all different shapes and sizes. So I'm very much looking forward to figuring out how the hell this set of molds works. Very, very much. Oh, and this set was for my birthday. Okay. And the last thing that I got for Christmas honestly feels a little braggy just because of the price. I am not bragging about this at all. This was a necessity that my housemates decided needed to be filled. Yes. So I'm going to pause the camera, put it up here, and then explain. Okay? So, my housemates decided to get me the Cricut Air Explorer 2. And it's beautiful. The reason that they decided to do this for me is because I have been working with the Silhouette Cameo, the original Silhouette Cameo that came out like 12 years ago, I want to say. Maybe not that long, but a long time. And the clamp that holds the cutter in there, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've heard this story before. Decided it didn't want to work anymore, and there were no replacements for it. And, you know, I would just have to get a whole new machine. And one of my housemates found this on super sale on the Amazon warehouse section, and so she decided to get it for me for Christmas, which was amazing, and I definitely cried. So that was my super big present this year, which is just amazing, and I cannot wait to play with this thing. I'm a little intimidated by it, I'm not going to lie. I was very intimidated by the Silhouette Cameo as well when I first got that. But I think it'll definitely help me to, you know, be able to make other things, different things. And I'm sure it won't take me that long to get used to it. But if you have a Cricut Explorer or Cricut at all, and you have recommendations for different channels that use them and give tutorials, I would super duper appreciate those links in the comment section, because I definitely need to learn a little bit about the machine before I just go all ham on it, you know. So yeah, so that was what I got for Christmas and my birthday. Very, very excited about all of this wonderful stuff. And I hope that you are excited to see some of these new molds that I got. And just watch me have fun and play with resin for 2022. I cannot believe it is the end of the year already. And with that note, thank you guys so very much for watching this year. Thank you for sticking around, for all of your wonderful comments and support. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for, you know, everything that you have given me this year. I have really enjoyed getting to know some of you guys, and I've just loved that you guys have accepted me into the world of YouTube. Finally, after 15 years of being on the damn site. Anyway, I hope that you all have a wonderful New Year's Eve. I hope you just make life amazing in 2022. I really, really do. I hope you all have a wonderful New Year. And with that being said, I'm going to go and have some fun playing with resin. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. And if you're new and want to stick around, click the red subscribe button by ringing the bell by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching again, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys.